here we are. We're gonna drop down into some trails. Josh over there, he's got some really sketchy tires. Over here, wow, looks like something came through here and kind of cleaned up this mess. It was really rutted out earlier. Yeah, this is, even though you can't see it on the camera, this is really kind of steep hill, and it's powdery, 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 powdery. That's what it is. I think this is where Josh went. Yeah, so there we go. Today we've been really blessed with some absolutely immaculate weather. Got Josh over there. What, he went up that way? Oh, somebody.
I think they're cutting. See all this stuff?
Yeah. Yeah, they made this smoother too. You remember how rutted that was? Yeah, I hear them, yeah? What is that, like a chainsaw?
Hmm?
Yeah, that's humans.
Oh, it's really?
No, I don't think it's real. Well, here we are, we're right here. And they're letting water out of this drainage or irrigation pipe. I wonder how deep the water is right here. We gotta cross this stream. Whoa, 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 whoa. Wow. You see that? Oh, here we go. Not as deep as I thought it was gonna be. Oh, wow. Kinda screwed up on that approach. We're lucky it's not muddy. Oh, oh, shucks. Sorry, sorry, Yoram. Sorry about that. Kind of went off track here. Oh, that was fun. Awesome. Wow, it's not that deep. Whee! Wow. Whee! Wow, look at this, man. Insane, man. Woohoo! Wow. This is insane. We're riding right inside of this valley where all of this water is coming down. Wow. Wow, that was pretty freaking deep. All right. Yeah, we got flooded.